Continuing coverage now, 3 years ago, a house fire in Flint claimed the lives of 2 children. In the aftermath, there have been investigations, resignations, and lawsuits. ABC 12's Terry Camp has been following this story. He joins us now. And Terry, we learned this week that one of those lawsuits can move forward.
Yes, Angie, an appeals court has ruled a lawsuit filed by the mother of the 2 children, the estate of the 2 children, against the city, the Flint Fire Department, and 2 former city firefighters can continue. The attorney for the mom is now preparing for a trial.
You know, it's an everyday struggle.
Attorney Todd Flood talking about what the parents of Lamar and Zaire Mitchell are going through. The 2 boys died from injuries suffered when a fire started in their father's Pulaski Street home back on May 28, 2022. 2 firefighters had searched the home but didn't find the boys in the smoke-filled house. They were located in a second search. The boys were rushed to a hospital but died days later. One of the firefighters, Daniel Snigaki, who did not want to be identified, told us how he missed the boys during his initial search in a 2022 interview.
There happened to be a small bedroom attached to that room that I did not know was there, and neither did my coworker. I could not believe that I missed that room.
The boys' mother, Crystal Cooper, and the estates of the 2 children filed a lawsuit against the city of Flint, the fire department, and Snigaki, and the other firefighter involved in that initial search, Michael Slotek. This week, the Michigan Court of Appeals denied an appeal by the firefighters to dismiss the lawsuit, writing in part that jurors could reasonably reach different conclusions with respect to whether defendants' conduct amounted to gross negligence. Todd Flood is the attorney for the plaintiffs.
I think it may have backfired on the defense because they show gross negligence. They say that we've established gross negligence in the complaint, and they've also established duty, that there was a duty by the firefighters that they took on.
Michael Gus, the attorney for Snigaki, tells us it's a tragedy, and ultimately it will be shown the firefighters did nothing wrong. Both firefighters resigned in the days and weeks after the fire. Slotek was hired by the Bay City Public Safety Department as a firefighter and was named its Firefighter of the Year in 2024.
That's good for him. That's great. But I'm focused in on my case and what happened, what failed to happen, and what the duties were and how those duties weren't met.
And there was also a Michigan State Police investigation into whether there was a criminal element in the boys not being found in that initial sweep. Now, Genesee County Prosecutor David Layton released a statement today, writing, based on the developments in the related civil case, it remains under review.